Hello and welcome to Kraft Mayonnaise review. Real mayo, creamy and smooth review. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna crack it open. It's got that. Now, I realize that I can't properly do a mayonnaise review if I don't really have anything to test it against. So, I thought, why not make my own? It can't be that hard. It's got eggs in it, right? Look. Ooh. Does anybody want an egg yolk? Ooh. I'm just gonna take a little splishity splash of expired rice vinegar. It expired a year and a half ago. It's not too bad. Next up, canola oil, apparently. Little splish, little splash. Okay. That's mayonnaise, can't you tell? I have prepared one mayonnaise and I have purchased one mayonnaise, and then we are now going to find out the real mayonnaise. With me I have on a knife normal mayonnaise. Cheers. Well, that tastes like mayonnaise. This mayonnaise gets an 8 out of 10 because it was expensive and it's really frothy. It could taste better. Okay. I wish girls like that went to my school. Next up, we have the god tier of mayonnaise. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of... What to say? I'm gonna give this mayonnaise a 10 out of 10. Purely for this feature. Welcome to the teeth brushing intermission. It's very important. Hi and welcome to Legos. The Legos that I purchased are Legos. My mom asked me if that was weed. Alright, here's the guy. Someone brought it to my attention that Legos come with the instructions, so why would anybody want or need a Lego tutorial? Well, I said, okay, consider this. Some people can't read. This person then said to me that the Lego instructions have pictures, which is true. They are just solely pictures. And so I said, okay, what if somebody's blind? So if you're blind and you're listening to this video, I just want to tell you that this is not going to help you. You take your fursona and you put it right on the front. Now you know how to put together the Lego fursona car. Next up is the weed thing. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh my god, it's a guy! It's a little boy! Hello! No, I'm just kidding, I don't know what the fuck this is. Oh, here he comes. Oh wow, a spider! Time to get out of my go-kart. Ooh, spider. Oh my god, it's a guy.